Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you upgrade your Chime account from premium benefits. So upgrading your Chime account to access premium feature is primarily done by unlocking Chime Plus. For that, what you want to do is, first thing first, you just want to make sure the requirement. That means receiving a qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more within the preceding 34 days. And next, you also need to set up a qualifying direct deposit with your employer or a payroll provided. Once the deposit hits your account, your status updates automatically. And next, what you want to do is, if you want to upgrade within the Chime app, you just want to go ahead and log in first of all. After you logged into your account, you then want to go to the Discover More section and select the Chime card to upgrade. As you've done that, you need to go ahead. You need to go now. During the upgrade process, you can choose the standard black or evergreen card, or upgrade to a premium Titan card for a time, or for one time for $50. And that is how you're going to upgrade your Chime account for premium benefits. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.